Yo guys, another day, another flight test with my RC Era C138. So this is the brush version, and I believe there's a new version of this that came out in the market. It's the brushless version, and I think it's capable of inverted flight because it added a feature to be like can be flown in an inverted manner. But this one is the brush version, the old version, the first generation. So this is a test flight and a bit of review, of course. So because today we have a beautiful, nice day here, because there's no more bad weather, no more rain, no more strong winds, and now I can be able to enjoy my RC helicopter. Yeah, this is the RC Era C138 brush version. Very nice flyer, smooth, though it's has a brush motor on board, but it flies very nice. Easy to fly with searchlight for orientation. This is very nice. RC helicopter, easy to fly, altitude hold, and common 6-axis gyro stabilization. It has a self-stabilizing feature, so this is now easy to fly, more easy with altitude hold, more convenient, ready to fly out of the box. So you just need 4 AA batteries, then you are good to fly already. No assembly needed, everything comes in a box, complete set, ready to fly. You don't need to worry about setting up, installation of some parts. This is already ready to fly out of the box. So if you are a beginner, this is a very excellent RC helicopter for beginners, because like what I had mentioned, you don't need some installations, assembly. You don't need those kind of stuff. You don't need the technical skill to fly a RC helicopter, because like this one, it comes in a box which you can fly right away. All you just need is are the 4 pieces of AA batteries, then you are good to go. Yeah, very nice. Look at this. Looks like a real helicopter. Scale flying, very nice. Nice and easy, guys. Very nice. Look at this. Easy, guys. Very easy to fly. Very nice. This is if you want to learn how to fly, this is the RC helicopter for you guys, especially for those beginner pilots, because you don't need I think because it comes in the box that can be flown right away. So all you need is just 4 pieces of AA batteries, guys, then you are good to go. and it's almost impossible to crash this one because yun nga, it has a altitude hold and 6-axis gyro stabilization, so you can fly this very comfortably, and it's getting hot here, and it's a blessing, guys, because we are still in a typhoon season, rainy season, but luckily we have a good sun today. I can enjoy the RC helicopter, I can enjoy the outdoor, I can say out of the house, because when you stay in the house for a day, it's so boring, you don't know what to do. And like if you have a good weather like this, you can do everything. You can choose to stay in the house, you can choose to stay out of the house and enjoy the sun, enjoy the day with the hobby that you enjoy, like this one. In my case, I enjoy flying RC stuff, RC plane, RC helicopters, and later I will visit my small calamansi farm. I will try to visit because the last weekend I wasn't able to go there and visit because of the very bad weather, rain, wind. So, and I'm just using a motorcycle, so it's very hard for me to commute to go there because you know, rain, etc. So right now it's a good weather today, good day, so I can be able to visit my small calamansi farm. It's just a half-hectare calamansi farm, and my calamansi seedlings are like 5 months old already, and I'm expecting for a harvest maybe later this year or maybe next year, full harvest maybe next year, hopefully, if everything goes well. Yeah, I think still the battery is not yet complaining, because I can tell, because the searchlight is still not yet blinking. So when it's blink, it's already time to land, I think, because it signals a low voltage, low battery. But I think I will no longer wait for the low voltage because it's getting very hot already, and it's I think I'm already satisfied with the flight time of this. I'm already flying for like 6-7 minutes, and it's already enough. Alright, just subscribe, guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and hope to see you in my next video.